Hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Today we are having a look at not one but three super easy guitar songs with just two simple chords. Okay, we are going to be looking at the wonderful Achy Breaky Heart by Ray Cyrus. We are going to be looking at Born in the USA by Mr. Bruce Springsteen, and also the Buffalo Springfield classic For What It's Worth. And you will only need two chords. That's right, two chords. You will need E, and here is the screenshot. There's your E. And you will need A, and here's your screenshot. Okay, so if you know how to change quickly and easily between those two chords, we're going to get straight on with the songs in 1 second, but maybe pause the video and the screenshots if you need to brush up on your E and A. But if you already know them comfortably, let's move straight on to our first classic, the cheesy but wonderful Achy Breaky Heart by Ray Cyrus. Okay, this one starts off with an A major, okay, and be warned, I will be humming the tune in the background, so you'll have to excuse the singing, but let's get ready with our A chord and get straight on. So here we go, and A da da da, and A da da da, A da da da, and change to E, E da da da, and E again do, and E and E and E and back to A. The chorus is, don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, do 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 do, change to E. Tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, and E doobie doobie back to A. Dun 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 dun, and A doobie 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 E. Doobie doobie doo doobie doobie doo, and E and E and E and back to A. And there you go. Just repeat that chord sequence the whole way through the song. Okay, next up on the classic beginner hit list, we've got Born in the USA by Bruce Springsteen. Okay, and for this one, just be warned that you would need exactly the chords we're going to do, but to play along with the Bruce Springsteen classic, you would need a capo on the 7th fret, a capo on the 7th fret, but we're going to do a nice straightforward one in the open position, starting off with our E chord here, okay? So get ready, nice easy downstrokes on this one, ready with your E major, and I'm going to hum the tune again. So, E, do, 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 E again, do, na, 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 to A, do, 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 A again, E, and dun 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 dun, and an E, dun 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 dun, to A, tra ta la 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 la, na dun dun dun, back to E, and then Born in the USA again, Born in the USA to A, Born in the USA again. Back to E, and to A, and E. Okay, literally that sequence all the way through that classic song. And don't forget to play along with Bruce. You would need exactly that, but with a capo on the 7th fret. Okay, last of all, the absolute classic Buffalo Springfield song from, I believe, the 60s, or is it the 70s? Maybe leave a comment below if you can be bothered to check that bit of trivia for me, but it's from way back anyway. Classic tune, and this one, Buffalo Springfield, For What It's Worth, just starts off on the E, and again, excuse the singing, but I'll hum the tune. So ready with your E, and okay, here we go, and just that kind of tempo. Here we go. Something happened in A, 2, 3. What it E, da 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 da, A, 2, 3. There's an E with a gun over A, telling E and change to the A. And then the chorus is, stop children, what's that sound? A and a dub, what's going down? Hey children, and what's that sound? A, do, 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 then back to E, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, and an E, 2, 3, change to A, 2, 3, and there you have it. Okay, 3 classic tunes using just those 2 easy chords, E and A. Give them a try, they will sound great, and all the best, and I look forward to seeing you again soon for more classic, easy beginner guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thanks and goodbye.